Well, Bannockton Reach, Tashin Feather Map became an albatross at the trade torn. Shane albatross and ushag smooths the tail, leshen skiing and ho mooar. So ta gredd fel an albatross Tashin of a jikaner, tan skiing and na smoon a 3 meter el urit. Okay, nishons meter ta keed centimeter nac fel. So tammy goldi in taus on short, feather map, cray ho mooras na skiing and an albatross. Okay, so ta 3 meter to shen 3 keed centimeter. Okay, Curran Shaw, to shen keed centimeter, tain a spoon of shed. Dare keed as nish 3 keed. 3 keed centimeter el urid to shen skiing in albatross. As na smoon a shed that for shen dolly credgel. Nim lie sheath on shore. Okay. So to an albatross for the smoon a mish. Tammy just got ashore, but to an albatross in a smoon a mish.
What's so like decky just quagged centimeter.
Yeah. Oh, the mish.
Yeah.
So Tammy for the smoon to an albatross for the smoon the mish as an albatross and Hanelli able to benelt Ginny Shen to just school go ashore and if they're the skiing and ho mooar. Good night. My dear.